Today we're going to be removing the starter off a 787cc Rotax. This one is on a 98 SeaDoo Speedster, and I've already gone ahead and removed the airbox from the carbs so that we have room to work. So we're going to start by removing the red lead, which is the electrical wire that's coming off the starter relay from the starter. You're going to need a number 10 socket or a wrench to do that. Once we've got this disconnected, we're going to remove the back plate that holds the starter in place. For this, you're going to need a number 6 Allen head, so either one on a socket or just a regular Allen wrench will work too. On the back side of the starter, there's going to be a nut that's holding on a hose clamp, so we'll go ahead and remove that also. Next, we'll go ahead and remove the two bolts that hold the starter against the case. They're both number 6 Allen heads, and a swivel socket will greatly help you. Now that both mount bolts are removed, you can go ahead and remove the starter. You'll probably have to wiggle it because it's a tight fit, but it'll work its way out. After this, the only thing left to do is to disconnect the ground lead from the battery.